Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: Which is the largest thermal power plant in India based on installed capacity? Answer A. Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station. Question: The Bhakra Nangal Dam, a major hydroelectric power source, is constructed on which river? Answer A. Sutlej. Question: Which state in India has the highest installed capacity of solar power as of historical data? Answer A. Rajasthan. Question: The Tehri Dam, one of the tallest dams in India, is primarily used for which type of power generation? Answer C. Hydro. Question: The largest solar power plant in India, as per historical records, is located in which state? Answer B. Gujarat. Question: Which of the following thermal power plants is located in Madhya Pradesh? Answer C. Satpura Thermal Power Station. Question: Which hydroelectric power station is situated on the Teesta River? Answer B. Teestavi Power Station. Question: The Koyna hydroelectric project is located in which Indian state? Answer A. Maharashtra. Question: Which thermal power station is known as the largest coal-based power plant in India? Answer A. Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station. Question: The Sardar Sarovar Dam, a major hydroelectric project, is built on which river? Answer A. Narmada. Question: Which of the following states is not among the top producers of hydroelectric power in India? Answer C. Rajasthan. Question: The NTPC is primarily associated with which type of power generation? Answer B. Thermal. Question: The largest pumped storage hydroelectric power plant in India is located at? Answer D. Koyna, Maharashtra. Question: Which solar power plant was the first ultra-mega solar power project in India? Answer B. Rewa Ultra Mega Solar Park. Question: The coal for the Talcher Thermal Power Station is primarily sourced from which coal field? Answer B. Talcher. Question: The Nathpa Jhakri hydroelectric plant is located in which state? Answer A. Himachal Pradesh. Question: Which of the following power plants is known for being a major nuclear power station in India? Answer A. Kudankulam. Question: The largest thermal power plant of NTPC located in Uttar Pradesh is? Answer A. Unchahar Thermal Power Station. Question: The Indira Sagar Dam, a hydroelectric project, is situated on which river? Answer A. Narmada. Question: Which of these is a major solar power park in Rajasthan? Answer A. Bhadla Solar Park. Question: The Singaroli Thermal Power Station is located in which Indian state? Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. Question. The largest hydroelectric power station in India by installed capacity is? Answer A. Tehri Dam. Question. The Jindal thermal power plant is situated in which state? Answer A. Chhattisgarh. Question. Which river is associated with the Koldam Hydro Power Station? Answer A. Sutlej. Question. Which of the following states has the highest number of hydroelectric power projects? Answer A. Himachal Pradesh. Question. The Rihand Thermal Power Station is situated on the banks of which river? Answer A. Rihand River. Question. The largest solar power park in India by capacity is located in which district? Answer C. Jaisalmer. Question. Which of the following thermal power plants uses lignite coal as its primary fuel? Answer A. Neyveli Thermal Power Station. Question. The Nathpa Jhakri hydroelectric plant has a capacity of approximately? Answer A. 1500 megawatts. Question. The largest hydroelectric power project in southern India is? Answer A. Srisailam Dam.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.